Today, we are looking at the ti-revobit Ratchet. This is a versatile, 15-in-1 multi-tool crafted from high-quality GR5 titanium. It's designed to be the perfect balance between a rugged workhorse and a satisfying, everyday carry piece. Most portable tools compromise on power, but this gadget changes the game. It features a unique 180-degree reversible folding design. This allows you to switch between tightening and loosening screws instantly. Because of this folding structure, your drill bits won't slip out under heavy pressure, which is a common headache with other portable ratchets. Speaking of bits, this tool comes with 5 essential sizes stored right in a revolver-style compartment. It also works with any standard 1/4-inch hex bits. So, if you have a specific project, you can customize your own kit. There is even an included extension rod to help you reach those awkward tight spaces that usually require a full-sized screwdriver. What makes this product stand out is how much functionality is packed into such a small frame. It isn't just for fixing loose screws. It features a durable titanium pry bar for opening cans or pulling nails. Next to that, you'll find an integrated saw. This serrated edge is tough enough to cut through rope, wood, and even plastic tubing. For your daily cutting needs, there is a built-in folding knife. It's perfect for opening packages or trimming zip ties. The best part, the blade is replaceable. When it gets dull, you just swap it out for a standard utility blade. This also makes traveling easier. If you're heading through security, just remove the blade and keep the rest of the tool with you. Safety is also a priority. This tool includes a dedicated window breaker. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but having it on your keychain provides incredible peace of mind during an emergency. Beyond the utility, this gadget is incredibly fun to use. The revolver-style storage spins on hybrid ceramic bearings. It's completely non-metallic and unaffected by magnets, providing a buttery smooth rotation. You can even customize the experience. If you want a silent tool for focus, it can be tuned for a smooth, quiet flow. If you prefer tactile feedback, you can adjust the internal accessories to give it a satisfying click with every turn. To make it truly yours, the body features 10 slots for tritium tubes. These glow in the dark, making the tool easy to find in your bag at night and giving it a high-tech, tactical look. It's available in 2 finishes, a minimalist natural titanium or a sleek PVD black. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or just someone who likes being prepared, this tool is designed to be by your side for a lifetime. If you want to upgrade your everyday carry, check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest gear, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational look at the best tools on the market.